Today we're diving deep into Vantage Markets, one of the standout Forex brokers of 2025. Whether you're just starting out or you're already deep in the trading game, you're going to want to hear this independent, brutally honest review. Let's get into it. What is Vantage Markets all about? Vantage Markets has been steadily rising through the ranks, positioning itself as a serious player for retail and professional traders alike. Founded in 2009, it's regulated by top-tier bodies like ASIC Australia and FCA UK, giving it a lot of credibility right off the bat. But regulation alone doesn't make a broker great. It's all about the trading experience. Trading experience and platforms. Vantage offers a sweet lineup of platforms, including the beloved MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their own slick Vantage app. Honestly, the Vantage app really surprised me. It's super clean, beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for advanced users too. Execution speeds are top tier. In my personal experience, Vantage offers some of the snappiest executions, almost on par with IC markets. That can really make a difference, especially for scalpers and day traders. Spreads and fees, here's where it gets even juicier. Standard account spreads start from 1.0 pip, no commission. Raw ECN account spreads can drop as low as 0.0 pips, but there's a commission of $3 per lot per side. Very competitive. If you're serious about squeezing every pip, I'd highly recommend going with the Raw ECN setup. Deposit, withdrawal, and bonuses. Deposits are super flexible: bank transfer, cards, e-wallets, even crypto. Withdrawals are generally quick, often processed within 24 hours. In 2025, Vantage has also introduced some solid bonuses for new traders, including deposit matches and risk-free trades. Just a heads up, always read the fine print. How does Vantage compare to other brokers? Let's keep it real for a second. Vantage is fantastic, but it's not the only great broker out there. Here's a quick comparison. XNES, ultra-low spreads, crazy leverage up to 1 to 2,000. If you want a powerful broker, check them out using partner code 0E2L7L08K. XM perfect for newbies, lots of account options, and good promotions. Sign up with partner code XP6GC. Pepperstone, probably the closest competitor to Vantage when it comes to spreads and execution. IC markets, lightning fast execution, tight spreads, more for pro traders. Use referral ID 68839. Just Markets, emerging strong, especially with their promo code S4PJ50UOFV. Conclusion: should you trade with Vantage Markets in 2025? If you want a reliable, regulated broker with razor-thin spreads, fast execution, and a user-friendly app, Vantage should definitely be on your shortlist. Especially if you want to grow from beginner to advanced trading without switching platforms. Ready to start trading? Sign up with Vantage Markets using referral code abc12345, link in the description and comments below. Also, don't miss out on exploring. XNES partner code MOE2L7L08K, XM partner code XP6GC. IC Markets, referral ID 68839. Just Markets, promo code 4PJ50UOFV. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below with any questions. Until next time, happy trading and stay profitable.